Utilizing the most advanced, fully automated hot wire TIG machines, ABS provides services for OEMs around the globe. Along with our massive installation of large boring mills and VTLs, our cladding cells are designed to handle any weight and size requirement in the industry. Within our cladding department, ABS has invested tremendous resources to certify our weld procedures in lab and by ABS and DNV. These procedures further ensure that the parameters we have chosen will meet the requirements of our customers. Complementing our hot wire TIG cladding cells, ABS Machining's large installation of advanced Sub-Arc Cladding cells allows us to offer heavy deposit welding of Inconel 625, stainless steel, and steel-on-steel applications. Our Sub-Arc cells are specifically designed to handle the largest and tallest blowout preventers on the market. Positioners are designed to allow ABS to weld both horizontally and vertically for access on all 5 sides.